Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on 2013 BMW X5. We are doing air filter replacement. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the filter located inside of this box. Okay, so we need to remove this air box. It needs a T25. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So let's go ahead and remove them. Okay, and simply just lift it up like that, and you can just hold it. You don't have to remove all of them, so just lift with one hand and remove the filter with the other hand. There you go. Oh wow, this is really dirty. It's really definitely a time to replace it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna suck it out. There's some small debris with the vacuum cleaner, and we'll just go ahead and place the new filter in. All right. So here's the replacement filter, MAN filter C28125, and that's the exact filter. This is the OEE. It's the same size. All right, let's go ahead and simply just lift this up and drop it. There you go. Make sure it's fully seated. Check all the edges. Okay, it fits well, and when it fits well, just go so press it in. Yeah, it's fully seated. Go ahead and tighten up the screws, and it should be 6. I just noticed I did not have a light, so I just shined the light in and see there was another one. So basically this was broken in this car. Maybe someone tried to remove it and ended up broke. But here you go. Start tightening up the screws. First, second, there you go. So this is how we replace air filter in 2013 BMW X5, and the 6 one I was just telling you, it's right here. Let's see. Here you go. So it's missing, definitely just broken. Anyways, you will have 6 in your car, and that's how we replace the air filter in 2013 BMW X5 model. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. Stay tuned. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.